Ready to get your mind blown? Because today we're gonna take panning photography to a whole other level. Let's go!
Share, like, subscribe, something, yeah.
If you're wondering what panning photography is, it's basically that kind of picture where you see everything that's blurred, it's like it's moving, except the subject in the picture. And if you're wondering how you do that, basically you're panning, you're following the subject with your camera at a very slow shutter speed. Something around 1/20th, 30th, somewhere around that. And you get everything blurred out except the subject. But when you do that, you usually have to have very steady hands because you're at a very slow shutter speed. Even if you have an IBIS system, you should always, be very careful, be very steady. And this is where the gimbal comes in. So with the gimbal, you usually are very steady and you're going to be able to follow the subject more smoother, whatever. The idea popped up into my mind like a week ago. I wrote it down. Always write down your ideas, otherwise you're gonna forget them. And I don't know, I just had it in my mind since then, so I had to do it. But enough talking, let's do this. So first things first, you have to set up your gimbal. In this case we have the Gimbal S from Gimbal, which is a great gimbal actually. Super easy to use, super easy to mount your camera on, and very lightweight. Yep, it is set. Now you might be wondering, good, so you've set up the camera on a gimbal, but how the fuck are you going to take pictures on the gimbal how can you press the shutter, right? Well, let me show you something. This is a cable remote. So I'm gonna plug this in right here. Okay. And now I can actually put this here and boom! You're good to go, baby. Alright, let's do this then. I am in pan follow mode on the gimbal. Now I'm going to set the camera 1/25th of a second. I'm at 5.6. I'm gonna take a test shot. Okay, so the exposure is good. Let's go to 6.3. Now it's time to find ourselves a subject. Okay, there's a bike coming. Yo. Nope. Oh, there you go. Oh, he's going pretty fast too. Come on, yeah. Focus. Ooh, damn! Nice, dude! This is sharp too. Okay, there's another one. It's going slower, but still. Oh, there's a car coming. Let's go with this one. Alright. So the most difficult part here is to match the speed of the subject with the speed of the camera. When you're doing it handheld, it's a lot easier. I think it's a matter of getting used to. One trick is to set your camera in continuous high shooting, so that you actually, you can keep shooting every single frame instead of shooting one frame at a time. The faster the subject, the better, because you get more things in focus. Let's move to the other side of the square and try to take some shots there. I'm going to switch to the 35mm so that I get a wider angle. That means I have to get closer to the subject, but yeah, it's worth trying. Don't do this at home. Okay, now we're on the 35. Go to oh, there you go. This is a nice one. Come on. Oh, fuck off. Too late. I lost it. With the 35, it's, it feels like you have more space for user error when you shoot, and it's easier to follow the subject. See, it's already 3 subjects in 20 seconds. Alright, let's move to another corner and see what we can get there. And then I think I'm done because I'm pretty damn happy with the results so far. It takes some getting used to because, you know, it's something new and it's a lot. It doesn't feel as natural as when you're, you know, going handheld. But the results are far better because it's steadier. Alright, new location. This is even a little bit wider, I think. Let's see how it goes here, and then I think I'm gonna go home because I'm so damn happy with the result. Okay, so the thing that you can actually do to make it easier on you is to hold the remote here and hold your finger over the button, over the shutter. So you go like this. Super duper easy. So nice. Here we are back at home watching the pictures that I've taken. I gotta say that I don't like them as much as I like them when I shot them. But the point of the video is not to shoot the best panning shots. It's to, you know, show you that you can actually take a panning shot with a gimbal. Anyway, now let's move into one of my favorites. I use this for the thumbnail, if you've seen the thumbnail, and I don't know, I just liked it. You know, the colors, everything just worked together. The only thing that I don't really like is the fact that there's that white thing there. Yeah, that one. Right, so another one that I liked that came out pretty damn good. It's pretty sharp. It's this one, and I actually know the guy. He's a friend of mine. And this must be one of my favorites, like, ever. This one in black and white here. So in editing I opted for a more silhouette kind of approach. I've never seen a panning shot that's a silhouette. I don't know why, at least I've never seen it. I'm pretty sure that there are people that did it, or they're doing it, or there is their jam or whatever. But so far, to me, it's kind of a unique. Then from a more technical point of view where you know, you get all the movement, here's one that I really like. And here's a cute one that I kind of like because there's a mother with the child and the child watching backwards. I don't know, I thought it was nice. Alright guys, that's been it for me. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it and you learned something. I just want you to take something from this video and put it into your craft. And yeah, that's kind of it. I will see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe, you know what to do. Help me grow this channel because I need to buy a new camera. See ya!